Follow these steps to disassemble the LCD module. Remove the 6 screw pads from the LCD module as shown. Remove the 6 screws holding the LCD bezel to the LCD module. Detach the LCD bezel from the LCD module. Take out the inverter and disconnect the backlight and the inverter cable, then remove the inverter. Remove the 5 screws holding the LCD to the LCD cover. Then detach the LCD from the LCD cover. Remove the screw holding the CCD module to the LCD cover. Take out the CCD module and disconnect the CCD cable, then remove the CCD module. Remove the 2 screws fastening the LCD right bracket. Then remove the LCD right bracket from the LCD. Remove the 2 screws holding the LCD left bracket. Then remove the LCD left bracket. Tear off the mylar holding the LCD cable. Disconnect the LCD cable from the LCD. This completes the LCD module disassembling procedures.